Hello everyone, this is Dan Hoover. Thank you for taking the time to look at my video. I wanted to shoot this quick video in response to the Facebook post that I put on my personal page and also on a business page called Creating Your Economy. I posted it yesterday, a little bit over 24 hours ago, and to my surprise, hundreds of people have liked it, indicating that they wanted more information about what I was talking about. I'm surprised that many people have liked it, but I'm also pleased. So I decided to shoot this video. I'm sorry it's kind of cryptic, but I wanted to quickly get information out to you so I could answer the mail, so to speak, about my Facebook posts. Many of you know me. Many of you don't know me. But a little bit about myself. I live near Boston. I am full-time my job as a coach. I'm a results coach. I coach individuals on how to achieve what they want in their life, and I also coach small business teams on how to achieve big goals. I love doing that. I'm full-time on that, and it's something that I've enjoyed. But when I meet with my clients, one of the things I often hear when they're setting big goals, things that they want to achieve, what they really want in their life, it's often, not always, but it's often financially related. They want more income, or they want access to more money. They want to do more things, which requires more money. So I've always been looking for ways that I could supplement my income, but also help others do the same. So 6 months ago, I started investigating options. And I've always been interested in the financial markets. I've traded stocks in the past. I've traded futures contracts. I've traded Forex. I've done things, but many of these things are relatively complex, and not everyone is suited or even interested in learning about those things. So I also realized, big picture, that I didn't want to miss any big changes in the market. And this is based on reflection on the past. Back in the early 90s, 80s, I missed the boat. If I would have invested in PC manufacturers like Microsoft or Gateway Computer, remember that one? Or Hewlett-Packard, Microsoft. These companies, if I invested small amounts of money, would have grown into huge fortunes. I completely missed that, even though I'm an IT guy. Then again, in the 1990s, the end of the 90s, the 2000s, the internet boom. I could have gotten involved with Yahoo or Google or Apple or Netscape or America Online, invested there. And anybody who invested small in those companies made huge fortunes. So what's happening right now? And what can we get in front of? And I believe it's Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. A lot of people don't believe that. And if you don't want anything to do with that, I understand that. That's okay. Just hit stop on the video and move on. But I believe that I've already done my research, and I believe that that's going to happen. What I mean by that is the value of Bitcoin is going to go way up, and those that buy it and accumulate it now stand to make significant income, significant increase in their financial holdings. So how do you accumulate more Bitcoin? If you don't have money to buy it, how do you do that? So I started looking at programs that were put out by companies to help you grow Bitcoin. And I got to tell you, a lot of those companies are relatively low integrity. I learned some lessons. Some of them are not run well. Some of them are, well, frankly, they're just scams. And I invested some money and I lost some money. Fortunately, I was lucky. I didn't invest big money. But I was very careful. And I got connected to a team that's also careful and does its homework. And I found a company that is very good, that has software programs that you can invest in without giving them Bitcoin. And they have robotic trading platforms that will trade Bitcoin for cryptocurrency and allow you to increase your Bitcoin balances. I think it's wonderful, but even that's not what I'm talking to you about today. And the reason is that the typical investment to get started in the program that I'm talking about, it's with a company called Crypto World Evolution, is about $2,000. And many people that I talk to, if they have $2,000 to invest it, they're not really willing to part with it when they don't know what cryptocurrency and Bitcoin is. And many people just don't have that kind of investment money to use at this time. So back to the drawing board, looking for something that will help people learn about cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. And the team that I've been working with since the beginning of this year is headed up by a gentleman by the name of Mike Klingler. He's a marketer, and he's also been in the past a network marketer and has done many things to teach people about how to develop systems to help people grow online, businesses online. He's done a great job of finding this the software with this company that I'm going to talk to you about. And I think it's a great opportunity right now to get in and be a part of a team that is helping people learn about cryptocurrency so that they're smart enough to decide whether they want to invest, whether they want to move on to the next step and get a trading platform roadmap to help them earn some Bitcoin and grow that balance before the market explodes over the next few years. So I really believe in this. I'm excited about it. It's got a short opportunity, which I'll explain to you in a minute, but that's why I'm shooting this video, and that's why I'm talking fast, because I don't want you to have to endure any more than you really need to. So let me take my image here and reduce it and move me off my video off to the side. This is the Facebook page post that I put out on Facebook yesterday afternoon at 2:33. So I'll pause the video. You can pause the video and read this if you haven't read it. But those of you who have read it, I'm not going to go through every word, but I will explain some of the things on here. Some of my criteria for finding a supplemental income stream was I wanted to be able to help people in a positive way, primarily to help them earn money, so that I could feel like I was contributing back and helping people improve their financial condition. And this product that I found, which, I have to move my image again, it's called Unifii. It's the name of the company, and it provides a training and education-related software platform. It's very easy to share this opportunity, and also the team that I'm working with, Mike Klingler, and everyone that's on his team, a very excellent team to work with. And I want to work with people that I can trust, people that I think have high integrity, and people that just vibrate on a high level. They're positive-minded. I don't want to work with a bunch of people who are complaining about their situation. I want to work with people that are doing something about their situation. This team has a great attitude. So that attracted me to it. In addition to that, I'm always been interested in finance, investing, and trading. And this is very much aligned with that. I'm also interested in coaching and teaching people about that. So this is a great opportunity in that regard. I also wanted something that was a low investment required. I told you that some of the programs I looked at require a couple $1,000s. I want something that's way lower than that. And today, to get into this position with Unifii, meaning get a position on the team which would allow you to share it and then earn affiliate commissions, it's free to do that today because we're in pre-launch. Unifii has not launched their software. I haven't seen it. I've seen descriptions of it, and I've watched videos on it, which you'll be able to see as well. And I'm very convinced that the team is at Unifii is putting out some wonderful products. But we've got a couple of weeks before they launch. I don't know the exact date. But it's free to sign up. When it does launch, and by then you'll know all about it. And if you want to partake in it, and you want to partake in the opportunity to share this with people, you can sign up. The cost is $279. That's not real cheap, but it's a lot better than $2,000. And most people can afford that for an opportunity to help them generate income. I mean, what other business has that low of a barrier to entry? So it's $279 to sign up and then $79 a month, and you get access to all the training information, which starts out in Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, but it's going to expand into all kinds of financial areas. The goal of Unifii is to make learning about how to be financially free in a simple way. And I think they're doing a good job with that. So it meets that requirement. I want to be able to work part-time because I'm not going to give up my coaching business, which I love. And this definitely is something you can do part-time. I wanted to have something that had a massive market. I don't want to be limited to the people that I can reach out and touch. I wanted, in my hometown, I wanted to be able to go global and have many customers. I also wanted it to be internet-based because I want to be able to work from anywhere at any time. I've worked from home for the last 4 or 5 years. I don't want to give that up. I love it. So it meets that criteria. I also want something that would help provide revenue stream for others because, as I mentioned, many people that I meet are looking for ways to make more money. Now, everyone who gets in and registers to achieve a position on the team and then shares this platform, this education and training platform, they will earn an affiliate commission when people actually sign up and buy the product. That could be, it's a small amount of commission, but if you grow a team, a large team, you will get a larger commission, and it could turn out to be fairly significant dollars. So I want everybody to know that because I'm introducing you to this, when you sign up, you'll be under me and my team, and if you do purchase a product, I'll get a small commission for that. I want to be very transparent about that. You can do the same with people that you know. So it's very easy to learn more about this opportunity. You simply go to this website. I'm going to show it to you in a minute. The link to this is in the description under the YouTube video that you're watching right now. So go down to the description and click on the link. And the name of the company, as I mentioned, Unifii. I will be helping people get started. I will be leading a team of people and following a team of people. This team has already put together tons of information and tools to help you get started and to help you run this small business. It could be a big business, but it's already done for you. And it's very easy to get started. All that said, I realize this isn't for everybody. Some people cringe at the word Bitcoin because they think it's a bubble and it's going to go away. It's okay. I understand. Other people get anxious about it because they don't understand it. Well, this tool is designed to help you understand it. The training goes from the very bottom, the very beginning, all the way up to advanced traders. So it's worth it to get in, if nothing else, just to learn about this thing which is coming, because I believe in not too many years, it will be a part of everyone's daily life. But it's early. You can get in before the wave. What a great way to learn before it comes. So the final step is, after you click on that link, is to register. You'll enter your name and email address and sign up, and then you'll go into a Unifii page. I'll show you that in a minute, and actually register for a position within the Unifii company. Now, once you register, I will be notified. I will receive an email address. I'll receive your name. Then I will connect you. I'll send you an email, connect you to the Unifii Facebook page, the team page for Mike Klingler. You'll automatically receive some email which will have more videos, which will give you all the details. And after you watch through that, it'll take you an hour or two, you can decide if this is something for you. And if not, no problem. It's okay. I just appreciate your listening, following my Facebook page, clicking on it because you're interested, and I hope this answers the mail. Place your questions on the Facebook page in the comments, and I'll do my best to respond. But most of all, thank you for listening. I really do appreciate it. Now, before we leave this, let me bring up on my page here my browser. This is the link that I gave to you. And when you click on that, it'll go to this page, which will have another short video. It's 8 minutes long by Mike Klingler explaining the Unifii opportunity. And if you scroll down this page, you'll see that you enter your name and your email address and hit enter. And that will help take the first step towards securing a position. When you enter that, it will connect you to the Unifii page right here, which has more information on it. There's a video here you should watch. You can scroll down to see the products. But what I want you to be sure that you do is click the sign up button to actually sign up and get a position within Unifii. It doesn't cost anything. And when you click sign up, it looks like this. You enter your first name, your last name, your email address, and your country. You hit continue down at the bottom. And it will show a description of the product. And then you hit continue. And you'll set up an account where you can put in your password, select a username, and hit continue. And then you check out. And you'll be done. But there is no need for you to buy anything. You don't have to enter a credit card. This is just, we're in pre-launch. This is just to get you more information and to secure a position so that if you want to share this with others, you'll get a link just like I gave to you so that you can sign up and be connected to me on the team. And once you've signed up, then the next time you come to the webpage, you just hit sign in. And you'll see, like here, for me, I got my username and my password, and I hit sign in. And it brings me into the Unifii page where then I can, get news updates, learn more about the products, learn about how to get started, just all kinds of information, get reports about my team. So it's a very valuable site. So that's it. I want to stop now because I feel like I've taken more of your time than I probably should have. But thank you so much for listening. Have a great day, and I hope to see you on the team. It'd be great to work with you. Thanks again. Bye-bye.